Look at this breathtaking, amazing FKK nudist beach, FKK. It's stunning and end of the world vibes. It is 13th of October 2025, 4:30 p.m. and we are 2 hours down to the sunset, which will be over there. And from the distance I can see also Piran, where I was earlier today, but that's not where I started my journey today. From Portorož I started, and it was 4 kilometers to Piran, and then walking around the coast and arriving at Strunjan. And it was very hard for me to find a way in on this nudist beach, spontaneous nudist beach as such, because look at this, it's so inaccessible. And there are some nudists on the other side. I spotted 2 of them, but I will definitely not go there and film, as it is not appropriate. But it's huge, and now half of the beach actually is in shade because of the mountain. And there's the cross over there. Not sure if you can see, there is a cross over there where I have took a picture. Oh my, it looks very far that I have walked, because I came from that end, and around that corner it's also facing north, so it's not accessible. But it was a challenge to get here, to be fair, but that's what most of the nudist beaches are. And this is another one in Slovenia. Let me just double check the name of the city so I don't lie to you again, but this is very close also to Izola, which is one of the bigger cities in Slovenia. And that's the crossover there was, yes, Strunjan, yes. Strunjan was the cross also as well that I have been to. And there is also a Strunjan beach on the other side, which I'm going to head to later. I'm not really sure if I can go all the way in that end, but I would try, because there is no option for me to get up here anyway. Look at that, it's impossible. So yeah, Adriatic Sea, nudist beach, or as the Germans say, FKK. And it's time for a beach adventure with Chris. So let me know what you think of this beach. For me, it definitely gives end of the world vibes. So with that said, now let's get going for a swim in the sea here at Moon Bay, Mesečev Zaliv. Yes, it's called Moon Bay Beach. Mesečev Zaliv indeed. So let's see how the water is here. But this is untouched nature for sure, and it's very slippery indeed, so it's going to be challenging to swim for sure, but not impossible. Look at that, it's beautiful. Just look at the settings indeed. And here we have very interesting, oh, and then from here we can see Italy. That's Trieste over there, where I was 2 days ago actually. So very nice indeed, beautiful. All right, let's go in furthermore in for a swim here at Moon Bay, Mesečev Zaliv. It's very shallow indeed, and it's so nice now with the sunset here. It's going to be for sure. Okay, I still need to walk. This is very specific setting over here for sure. Okay, now we're talking. So, Moon Bay, Mesečev Zaliv, nudist beach in Slovenia. Let's then go in for a swim or a dip, how should I say. Oh, there are jellyfish also as well. And when I step on the on the ground here, which turns out it's a specific type of clay here in the water. It's very, but Slovenia, this part over here is also known for its thermal baths as well. Okay, ready, set, and go! Okay, that was a nice dip for sure. Now I need to leave my camera and swim for 10 minutes here in this paradise. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me from Mesečev Zaliv, Moon Bay, Nudist Beach, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!